Stand by! Lakad! Okay, if you're finished, release magazine. Release magazine muna. Lie down. Target,
On the-
target. Holster! Change mag. Dalawang putok. Okay, shooter, draw your pistol. Load mo na bago putok ha. Okay, shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Load, para. Putok, tactical pa rin ha. Tayo. Holster mo. Release na.
Okay, shooter. Draw your pistol. Get your magazine with 10 rounds. Insert magazine. Load and make ready. Low ready position. Finger out. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Salamin yata.
Stand by. 2 rounds.
Niling backward. Pwesto muna, bago sight. Gitna yun na, gitna.
Wait lang.
Lang. Oh, yan. Sige. Gitna na yun.
Still hot.
Eh, lumayo.
Stand up.
Nanggigigil ka eh.
Holster.
Nanggigil ng ano, bigay mo lang yung kalabit.
Holster.
Bigay mo lang. Kasi nawawala na naman sa isla. Bigay mo lang gano'n. Muscle memory lang.
Okay, sir. Atras tayo.
Ano, okay kayo? Place to. Place to na kayo.
10 meters. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Huwag mo apurahin kasi. Huwag mo apurahin.
If you are finished, stand up. Release magazine. Then cock 3 times. Then kalabit sa target. Kalabit sa target.
Ayaw na matanggal yung
Holster. Then clear.
Orange clear. Clear target. Paghinga kasi, sa paghinga, minsan sinasabay mo.